Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel, Layton Squad. My name is Addie. So for today's video, pag-usapan natin yung mga green card holders as well as Filipino Americans, yung mga nag-naturalized abroad, specifically in the United States. Kasi kung nanonood kayo ng balita, there's been quite a bit of Filipinos detained by ICE upon their return to the US. Kasi meron pala silang mga criminal records. They got detained and being processed for deportation. Pag-usapan natin. Details coming up. So the fear among green card holders, even permanent residents in the United States, as well as naturalized citizens of the United States, are not even exempted on the increasing concerns traveling overseas. Kasi yung mga kababayan natin natatakot na bumiyahe papuntang Pilipinas at pagbalik ng US, baka ma-detain daw sila. Kasi madami na din ang talagang na-detain ng ICE. Kasi as soon as they enter the United States, yung first port of entry nila, kine-question talaga sila, ini-interrogate. Kasi nakikita kasi yan sa system kung may previous criminal record ka. Kahit paanong mga kabataan mo pa yun nangyari, makikita at makikita nila. So, ito yung masasuggest ko para sa ating mga kababayan, para din sa inyong mga peace of mind when traveling to the Philippines. Madami din akong mga kaibigan na umuwi ng Pilipinas. For example, a green card holder. Expired na nga yung green card niya. But, she has her extension letter para dun sa validity ng kanyang pagbalik sa US. And she went through just fine. Ngayon, nasa US na siya. So, she don't have any criminal records in the US. At yun na nga, nakabalik naman siya ng maayos. And other friends as well. And on this group that I am a member of, madami ding mga green card holders, permanent resident, na nakabalik ng US na walang hassle at hindi na question during immigration process sa pagpasok nila sa Amerika. Yung talagang hinuhuli nila is yung may mga criminal record. Gaya nung isang Pinoy na na-detain from 2006 to 2012. So, may record talaga yon. Meron namang isa na may kaso on forgery. So, matindi din yon. Meron din felony. So, yung may mga record talaga yung kine-question nila. Kasi nga, yun yung tina-target ng new administration na i-deport yung mga illegal immigrants to be deported from the US. And unfortunately, those who were granted residency at may criminal record, naapektuhan din sila. So, nakaka-panic talaga when you watch the news, especially if you see a Filipino na na-detain. Sa airport pa lang na-detain na talaga because of previous criminal records and other cases that he or she is involved in the past years in America. So, yan yung kinakatakutan ng ating mga kawain kasi meron nga yung isang update natin, she's a naturalized citizen already, but that was through fraud. So, hindi mo talaga matatago. May enjoy mo man siya for how many years, pero lalabas at lalabas din yung katotohanan. So, it's very important when you are doing this type of visas, specifically when you are going to America, be honest as you can be. Huwag yung nakapunta ka lang ng America because of fraud kasi malalaman at malalaman din nila yan. Based on the current administration right now, dinideport talaga nila. So kabayan, kung alam mo naman sa sarili mo na wala kang nagawang mali while you are in the US, you are a law-abiding resident or maybe a citizen in the US, wala ka namang dapat ipag-alala. Kasi kung wala ka namang kasalanan or kung wala ka namang criminal records in the past, walang dapat ipagbahala. Kasi malinis yung record mo. You should be able to travel from the US to the Philippines and back. Just make sure that you know the rules being a green card holder or permanent resident kasi hindi ka pwedeng magwanto-sawa ng bakasyon sa Pilipinas because you can only be away from the United States at a certain time at kung magtatagal ka man, you have to process a certain document para maayos yung pagbalik mo sa US. Kasi mauuwi sa abandonment of your residency kung magtatagal ka outside of the United States. So, yun lang yun kabayan. Alam ko yung iba natatakot kasi ang daming nakikita sa news, ang daming nagpo-post about deportation of green card holders, even naturalized American citizen being deported and stuff, being detained by ICE. At gaya nga ng sabi ko, kapag malinis ang record mo, you should not be worried about anything. And if you are confused on something, particularly on immigration laws in the US, consult an immigration lawyer para mapanatag yung loob ninyo na wala pala akong dapat ipag-alala. And that would give you guys knowledge. And it's really important that you should know your rights based upon your status in America. So, yun lang yun. Huwag dapat matakot kung malinis naman ang record. Kung isa kayo doon sa nire-reschedule yung travel sa Pilipinas dahil lang doon sa baka i-detain ka pagbalik mo ng US as a green card holder, huwag naman. Kasi kung alam mo sa sarili mo na wala kang nagawang kasalanan, ba't ka matatakot? So, yun lang yun kabayan. Honesty is always the best policy. And like I said, if wala naman talaga, you should not be worrying traveling overseas. So, this is the latest. Thank you guys so much for watching. Kung kayo man po ay may mga katanungan, maaari lang pong mag-comment sa video ito at sasagutin po natin yan sa abot ng ating makakaya. Muli kabayan, ako'y nagpapasalamat at naway ang inyong biyahe papuntang Pilipinas man or paalis ay maging smooth, hassle-free at stress-free. Magkita-kita po tayo sa ating susunod na travel update. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless everyone.